What is going on YouTube? This is Kellen with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up on the video. Today, we're going to be introducing a new product. This is the new ultra short throw projector. This is the Epic Vision Epson LS500. You're wondering probably, this is a big box. Just gonna go over in this video what's inside. It's going to be a screen and projector combo. If you guys are interested in this product and would like to purchase, be sure to reach out and get that low price guaranteed and nationwide free shipping. We're going to get into this video right after the intro. All right guys, welcome back. You're probably asking yourself, what is an ultra short throw projector and how it differs from a normal projector? Maybe you don't have pre-wiring in the room, electrical or an HDMI cable in the back of the room to get a traditional projector that shoots an image to the front of the room. Well, with an ultra short throw projector, you don't have to. An ultra short throw projector can set towards the front of the room, a minimal distance from the screen wall, where you're going to put your screen, where you want your image, and it's going to be able to project that image from a very close distance. So that's how it kind of differs in those regards. As well, inside this box is not just the projector, it also has the screen. So they do make a special screen for ultra short throw projectors to help minimize the ambient light in the room. Maybe you have some down lighting, some windows, you're wanting to put this in a living room that has a lot of windows, and a specialized ALR screen. This one is specifically made for ultra short throw projectors. It's going to help catch the light shining up because remember, you're putting that projector at a very close distance. The image is going to shine more up than forward. So it's going to help trap that light and block all the other ambient light in the room. So inside this box again is the projector and the screen, because we did get the 100-inch combination here. There's 6 different options in total. So there is the projector by itself, the 100-inch version of this, and then there's also a 120-inch if you want a little bigger image. And then with all 3 of those options, you can choose the color of the projector, either black or white. So that gives you 6 options in total. And again, this projector is 4,000 lumens, so very, very bright. It has a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, so those black levels are going to be pretty good. And you're going to have a lot of contrast and a sharp image there. And this is a pixel shifting 4K, so not a native 4K ultra short throw projector, but it's still going to be very sharp and it's going to be a very clear picture. So what you can expect on this delivery, again, this is the 100-inch version. So inside this box, it is about 2 foot tall on a pallet. It's about 93 inches in length, and again, it's about 2 foot this way as well, so 23 inches there, and it's about 70 pounds, so you may have to have some help getting this into the space. That's why we're in my garage. I couldn't get this into the house, especially on the pallet, didn't want to scratch the floors and that sort of thing. So we're going to do a quick overview out here, do the unboxing out here, then when we get the projector and screen out, I'll take them inside, and that way we can get them set up. Quick again, some pricing options. So the projector by itself is $39.99. This is all retail pricing. The 100-inch version is $49.99, and the 120-inch version is $59.99. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have tons of new content coming your way, especially with ultra short throw projectors. We're gonna be taking this thing out, doing how-to videos, how to set it up. We're going to be doing shootouts against the Samsung Premier, the Vava, as well as, the Screen Innovations ultra short throw projector screen, how that compares to the one that comes with the Epson. So tons of new content. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of that. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of the episodes. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, be sure to reach out. We will help you with the free consultation service and that nationwide free shipping and low price guarantee. We also have a huge preferred installer network of preferred installers around the nation that will help you get your equipment installed as well. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is Kellen with Dream Media Home Theater. We'll catch you in the next one.